everyone, welcome to the Gray Slave. So now in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called Summer Tablescape, and that's hosted by Marlene How-Tos, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, J Mom Creations, and at Penny's Place. Now I'm going to be listing all of the hosts and their channel links down below in the description box. I'm also going to be listing the playlist, so make sure guys and full watch the videos, subscribe to everyone's channel, and then head on over to that playlist to see how everybody decorated their tablescape for summertime. Now, I got really excited about this tablescape because it just incorporated a whole bunch of things that we associate with summer. So I decided to go ahead and bring out this little tier tray, and this tier tray, I believe I got that from the Goodwill. And then I brought out some items that are all associated with summer, like a pineapple, a camper, a little candy ball machine, some ice cream. It's just so many cute little things. I thought this would be a unique way to set the table, and that's what I'm doing here. The Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you. Make sure and click that subscribe button and then click the bell where it says all so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Okay, so I'm placing that tier tray on the back end of the table where I have this runner that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. And then the tablecloth, which is a cream color, I purchased that. I believe it was the Salvation Army. Now, this was the DIY. It was one of my first DIYs. It was a mason jar, and I did it with the Rae Dunn font. And I placed my name on it and a gem, and I've kept it all this time. I'm really loving it. The florals, I believe I got those from the Dollar Tree. Now, let me correct myself. The florals I did get from the Dollar Tree, but those lavenders, I definitely recognize. I got those from Walmart. Cute little jars with the little jute hanger. I got that from the Dollar Tree, along with the greenery that I'm placing inside of it. We're just going to kind of add that to the decor in the back. beautiful gold candle, okay, along with the little dish that I have it on. I got that from the Dollar Tree. Now we're starting out with the gold chargers that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, along with those clear plates. Now the salad plate, we're going to be using these lemon plates that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. You can really get the entire set if you go at the right time. I love them. They are so cute. Napkins I thrifted from the Goodwill, and then what I did was I took the doilies from the Dollar Tree, the cloth doilies, and I placed it around the napkin along with the napkin ring, or I should say the napkin dress. I absolutely love that. They came out absolutely beautiful. Now the gold utensils I purchased at Target. This towel was absolutely adorable, and I wanted to place it in the center of the table. Isn't that beautiful? It has lemons, and I think those are peaches. I'm absolutely loving putting this table together, and it's screaming summer. Okay, so the wine glasses I got at the Dollar Tree a while back. I wish I would have gotten more because these are very trendy. And then the water glasses, I purchased that at the Goodwill. Now I couldn't resist. I had to go get my bowl with lemons, and we're gonna place that in the center of the table. Now we're gonna add some candles, and those I got at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so we are lighting the candles. Everything looks pretty much set and cozy. It looks beautiful. We're gonna head on over to the reveal, and then we're gonna take a closer look at the place setting. I do want to take a moment and thank the hosts, Marlene How To's, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, J Mom Creations, and At Penny's Place for hosting this collab. So I think The tablescape came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.